Saturday. I've lost count what day it is. Day 10, I think, maybe. It's rainy today. I don't know. You can't really see outside. Rainy day, which we expected. So we've got Animal Kingdom booked today, and we're going to do a Rhino, Meet the Rhino experience, which is a first for us, something we've never done before. So I'm really looking forward to that. We've got lunch at Yak Yeti. And I think anything else we manage to do in between with the rain will be a bonus. So let's have fun. So, different look. It's been raining on and off. It's just spitting now, so I've got the camera out quickly. But we've just arrived at Animal Kingdom, and our Rhino experience is at 11. So we're just going to walk up to there. I won't be able to film on the Rhino experience at all, I already know that. So, I'll maybe insert some photos if we can get photos, but some of this might be on mobile phone rather than camera today. So, do what you gotta do in the rain, I suppose. Rhino experience, which was amazing. If you get a chance to do it, I would highly recommend it. It was great. It was an hour, so you got on a bus, went backstage, and then went to the Rhinos. You got to stroke the Rhino, hear all about the Rhinos, about their family and everything, and then head back. It was really good. Apart from the rain, it would have been nice without the rain, but it was still a really, really amazing experience. So now we're at Yak Yeti. I'm going to have some food and dry off. It's just chucking it down outside. But we brought ponchos with us, thankfully, so they work really well. So in Yak Yeti, the menu, like small plates. And then soups and salads, grilled. Noodles and bowls. Specialities. Sides. And then you've got drinks. And then there's normal drinks menu on the back. The specials menu as well. Cantonese pork belly bar, Ahi tuna nachos, Korean salmon shrimp, Himalayan lamb shank, pad thai, like a dragon ball. Looks amazing. Japanese 7-spice tuna. That looks really good as well. Pumpkin spice coconut creme brulee for dessert. Fried wontons with pineapple and cream cheese. And then there's some specialty drinks on the back as well. And the children's menu. Okay, so you choose your main, choose 2 sides, comes with a drink, and then dessert is extra. So I went for the Malaysian seafood curry, which they had on the menu years ago, which was amazing, and a side of rice. It doesn't come with rice, it's a side. Eli went for the chicken tenders, rice and yogurt, and Matt got the Kobe burger, with all the sides.
Coleslaw and chips.
We're off to Flights of Passage. Forgot where we're going though. It's been really, really, really rainy here today, but as you probably see, most people walking past have got ponchos, etc. Just got to make the best of it. A rainy day at Disney is better than a rainy day anywhere else, pretty much. But haven't really been able to get the camera out apart from in the restaurant. What do we think of the Rhinos?
The Rhinos are awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'd encourage anyone to go and see it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was really good fun.
Oh, sorry.
Really good fun. Really liked it.
Really good fun?
Yeah, really liked it.
Yeah, well, I think it was well worth the money. It's not very expensive at all to do the Rhinos, so if you get an opportunity to do it...
Yeah, and the money goes towards looking after them, so better reason do you need. So.
It's really cool to see backstage as well. It's good fun. So heading out of Animal Kingdom now, we're done. It's 3 o'clock. The rain has stopped for a bit, but I think it's going to be back in within the hour. So we are going to head over to Target, which is just around the corner actually, because we're right next to the 192 with Animal Kingdom, which is nice and convenient. So going to head over to Target, grab some little bits. The plan is with the bad weather that we'll probably pack some cases, maybe go to the pool, go for a swim. You're wet, you may as well. The pools are heated, by the way, so the pools are nice and warm. Yeah, we need to get some bits at Target, so Eli needs a new like rash vest, because his ripped, it did have a hole in it, and I think it caught on the slide and ripped the whole of the back off, which is quite funny. What else are we going to do? Get some food later. Chill, basically. You know, it's an 11-day holiday. You can't go hard every single day. And like I said to you, we do Disney slightly differently to everybody else, because we can't go full on. It's just not possible. I mean, for one, my arm would not be able to hold the camera for that long. But
be able to let me go in the pool.
Eli wants to go in the pool, so pool, food, pack some cases, get ready for home in a couple of days. Not that we want to go home, but not much choice. So off to Target we go. Oh, it's proper rainy. Rainy day. It is 10 to 6 and you can see, well, you can't see. That's the point. It is raining hard now. Our balcony though, in this weird bit, our balcony is actually really dry. It's a bit weird, there's a window there though, that's somebody else's room. It's a bit strange. But the balcony is dry, but it's raining. You can normally see like, well over into the distance to see Wilderness Lodge, but not today. But, you know, pool's still open, people are still using the pool, waterfall's on. Still have fun at Disney. Morning. Today, our last day. I don't think I signed off yesterday. We just went for a swim in the pouring rain in the hot tub, chilled out, packed a couple of cases, had food at Gasparilla's. Nothing special yesterday, very chilled afternoon. This morning we've been for breakfast. We just went down to Gasparilla's, had bagel with Nutella and cream cheese, not on the same bagel obviously. So very quiet. We're off to Florida Mile today and then hopefully to Cheesecake Factory. It's going to rain all day today, so we're not going to even attempt to go to a park. But tomorrow we've got, tomorrow's our travel home day, so tomorrow morning, all being well, that we get all the suitcases and everything packed and everything, and there's no mad rush in the morning, then we will have some time at Magic Kingdom. So today, a little bit of shopping. And we're changing out the big flower display. Oh, beautiful hydrangeas. These plants. There's fresh flowers in the lobby. And these are the guys and gals that changed them all out. So they're not fake, they're real. They're beautiful. It's just small touches. Lovely. So we're in the Cheesecake Factory. It's chucking it down outside still. So we've been sat in the patio, which is a much quicker wait. It's fine, it's all covered and they got heaters and things. So these are the menus. That's a very, very, very large menu if anybody knows the Cheesecake Factory. So I'm going to go as quick as I can. So pause if you want to see anything. Most of these pages are like small plates. We've got appetizers. Huge menu. Glam burgers and sandwiches. Salads. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lunch specials. It's quite dark out here as well because of the rain. Specialties. Just goes on and on and on. Pastas. I think you'd be hard pushed to not find something on the menu. Steaks, all the frame rate is from the weird lights on here. The flickering. Apologies. Eggs and omelettes. Saturday and Sunday brunch. You can get here before 2 o'clock and get seated before 2 o'clock. And then their cheesecake menu, as you'd expect. It's quite a large cheesecake menu. And then desserts. And then they've got like a special, like a skinny menu, so not like healthier, lower calorie bites. And I'm not sure they are. And then this is the kids menu. It's quite a lot of pasta dishes on the kids menu. A big menu. I'm going with the fish tacos. I think Matt's going with a turkey sandwich, and Eli's having like chicken tenders, basically. Chicken, what are you having? Chicken strips. Typical kids menu, really. But yeah, it was just over an hour wait for us here. So when we were seated, they were saying it was a 2.5 hour wait. So I think it's because it's wet, so everybody's come out for food and gone shopping. We're at the one near the Vineland outlets, so I think that makes it busier as well. But it's a Sunday, it's raining. There's not much else to do really, unless you want to go to the parks and wear your ponchos and stuff, but we've already done that, so this is what we're doing today. So I went for the grilled fish tacos. I went with, you can have like battered fish as well. It's got black beans, rice, lots of tacos. This is huge. Here's my hand for reference, ginormous. You've gone for the
Turkey avocado sandwich with no avocado.
And then Eli's got the chicken tenders. So the portions can be ginormous, just be warned. Hi everyone. So back home now. I forgot, there's a few things that I didn't show you or tell you about. So the food at Cheesecake Factory. So I think I filmed the food at Cheesecake Factory. The food was nice. So normally the food is really good at Cheesecake Factory, and I'd always recommend going there. However, I had the fish tacos, grilled fish tacos, which were cod. Now, the cod and the slaw and all that sort of stuff that they had in it was lovely. The corn tacos, on the other hand, had been hand fried and they were dripping in grease. I couldn't even pick them up to eat them properly. They would have made me ill if I'd tried to eat more than a couple of mouthfuls that I did actually manage. So I ended up just eating the fish and the slaw and the other bits that came with it, and because of that I didn't really think it was worth the money. I did even pass on my feedback that the tacos were just not right, but they didn't really care, which is unlike Cheesecake Factory, to be honest, and I wonder if that's just because they were so busy because of the rain. But Eli and Matt really enjoyed their food. One thing to be mindful of, if you've got kids that have got any like food sensory things, so for example breaded chicken or like battered chicken, Eli's sensitive to certain types of batter, so we found that like panko crumb chicken he just doesn't like at all, and he just won't eat it. So we were asking, now the Cheesecake Factory ones, he's had them previously and were fine, but they've changed and they're now this panko crumb. So Matt and Eli ended up swapping half their food. So Eli had half the turkey sandwich and Matt had half the chicken strips. But they were happy with that and they enjoyed their food, but I didn't really enjoy mine. So watch out for the next video. Look out for that, and I'll see you soon.